I slip into my shoes. I kick off my slippers. I zip up my jacket. I button up my shirt. I roll up my sleeves. I tie up my hair. I stretch out my arms. I cross my fingers. I snap my fingers. I shake off the dust. I wipe off my glasses. I flip through a book. I tear off a page. I switch off the fan. I pour out the tea. I stir my coffee. I drop my pen. I pick up the pen. I lean back on the chair and I nod my head. Stay tuned for more such interesting videos. Till then, bye bye.